Good morning students. Today we shall be dealing with the next topic of our first chapter of drug store and business management. This is regarding the various business activities. As we all know that we had finished the topic of commerce mentioned here. This topic is already finished. Now we have to start with the new topic of industry. So what is industry? Generally we all know that industry is the manufacturing house. What are these manufacturing houses? These are the places where production of pharmaceuticals is done. Means all the tablets, syrups and various other dosage forms are produced here. Now let us begin with the topic of industry. What is industry? The term industry refers to that part of the business activity which relates to production processing or fabrication of products. Either it is dealing with the production or with the fabrication of the product. Fabrication means designing of already present products. The goods are known as consumer goods if used by final consumer. The commodities which are to be used by the final consumer are known as consumer goods, whereas capital or producer goods are the goods which are used for production of other goods. Just see in the image in the right part, in the right upper corner here. This is the finished product. This is the finished product. This tomato ketchup mentioned here. This is a consumer good because it is finally being consumed by the consumers. It is a consumer good. Whereas in the picture, the tomatoes, here the people are picking the tomato from the fields and transferring them into the trucks which are getting them back to the manufacturing plant. Here the manufacturing unit, you can see such type of goods are known as capital or producer goods. These are producer goods because they act as a raw material for production of finished product. Finished product is our tomato ketchup. Now what are the various types of industries? Classification of industries. On the basis of types of goods, industries are classified into following types. The first one is on the type of goods produced. Just see the flow chart. The flow chart depicts that these are of four types. Number 1, genetic. Number 2, extractive. Number 3, construction. And number 4 is manufacturing industry. Number 4 is manufacturing. Now manufacturing industry is further classified into four types. One is analytic, second is synthetic, third one is processing, and fourth is assembling. Now let us see the various types of industries in brief. Number one is our genetic industry. What is a genetic industry? A genetic industry is an industry which is producing and multiplying certain types of species of either plants or animals for the purpose of earning profit from their sale. Just see the example of breeding farms or poultry farms. Here is an example of poultry farms. What are extractive industries? These are concerned with extraction or drawing out the products from natural resources such as soil, air, water. Mining is an example of this, oil exploration, forestry, agriculture. These are all examples of extractive industries. The third one is construction, which is engaged solely with the field of construction, such as construction of roads, buildings, canals, bridges or dams, and many more. What are manufacturing industries? Now this is a very broad aspect, because all the industries are a type of manufacturing industries, because they manufacture certain type of products. Manufacturing industries are engaged in production of goods wherein the raw material or semi manufactured goods are converted into finished products. Either they are producing the finished products directly or they are fabricating the products already produced. Now example is pharmaceutical industry. As we all are dealing with the pharmaceutical industry, so I am discussing the example of that. Manufacturing industries are further classified into analytical, synthetic, processing and assembly line or assembling industries. What are analytical industries? These industries are engaged in manufacturing of products by analyzing and separating different elements from the same material. Now they are analyzing and differentiating the products from same material. For example, fractional distillation of crude oil refineries. Now from the crude oil various products are being produced, such as petroleum, diesel, petroleum wax and many other products. So it is a type of analytical industry. Next one is synthetic industries, where two or more than two materials are mixed together. So here is a mixing of products where two or more than two materials are mixed together. Products like various chemicals, drugs, soaps, fertilizers are produced in synthetic industries. The third one is processing industry. Now what is a processing industry? In this type of industry, raw materials are processed through different stages of production to produce final product. For example, drugs, pharmaceutical industries, paper, sugar and many more. Now why pharmaceutical industry is considered in processing industry? Because for production of a particular tablet there is a mixing as well as processing of many chemical products, so that a final dosage form is designed. Hence it is a type of processing industry. Now assembling industry, the last type of manufacturing industry is assembling industry, where the parts or components are assembled to make useful products. For example, automobile sector, cars, scooters, or electronic industries such as televisions and computers, which are produced by assembling various electronic parts. Now next one is based on size and investment. On the basis of size and investment, industries are classified into light industry and heavy industry. What are light industries? These are the industries which involve a small capital investment, a very small capital investment, and have a short duration of production cycle, such as industries involved in production of collapsible tubes, tin containers. Means they always produce ancillary products or mainly the storage products. Now what is heavy industry? The industry which needs big capital for investment and involve longer production cycles. For example, iron and steel industry. Now iron and steel industries, they usually work 24/7 for production of iron bars, steel cables, and many more products. Now the third type of classification is based on capital employed. Now what is the type of capital that is involved? First is large scale industries. These involve higher capital, large number of workers and machinery tools. Heavy machinery is required. Here is a type of large scale industry being showed to you. Now next one is small scale industry. In this type of industry, capital involved is not more than 10 lakh rupees. No doubt it's a big amount, but from the point of view of industrial setup, 10 lakhs is a small amount for investment. So these are a type of small scale industries. Official classification, this is based on the Industries Development and Regulation Act, here 1951. These are official. Every industry is now getting registered with this act so that it can avail various government benefits. For example, here you can see drugs, pharmaceuticals, medical and surgical appliances. The industries are classified according to the type of product produced by them and given under the first schedule to the Industries Development and Regulation Act 1951 by Government of India. So students, it's enough for today's class. This was all regarding the types of industries. Remember the various types of industries, revise them as it is important from the point of view of exams. Many a times you can see in previous question papers that the types of industries is mentioned in short questions. So it can come from 4 to 8 marks weightage. Kindly prepare them and you can have more material from your textbook. So it's all for today. Thank you.